Now our next transaction is of 8 January 2020. Transaction says purchase following items from Mr. Danial. Now vendor name is mentioned. That means that this purchase is on credit. So we have a couple of items to book and we have to book it from purchase invoice. So let's go to Peachtree. Under vendors and purchases section, I'll go to enter bills. You don't need to follow the whole purchase cycle every time. Sometimes there is no purchase order in the background and you just have to directly enter the bill. So I'll go to enter bills and click on new bill. Now our vendor is Mr. Danial. So let's just search for it. We already have Danial in our records. Transaction date is 8 January. And invoice number, you can mention any invoice number because we don't have it in assignment. So I can just mention 3001 or something like that. So now let's mention quantity. First item is Corolla windscreen. So quantity is 20. And item name is Corolla windscreen. We already have a couple of items from the opening balances. Some of the items are new one, but most of it we already have in account. So Corolla windscreen. And unit of measure is each, description is this. Unit price is already mentioned, that is 12,000. So it makes the total to 240,000. Now just remember, whenever the price will change, you have to manually adjust for unit price because it automatically suggests it from the last purchase that you make. So press tab and tab, go on the second line. Quantity is 20. And item is Civic headlights. So item is Civic headlights. And our cost is 35,000, which makes the total to 700,000. Now whenever you want to go back and you accidentally press tab, there is a short key, hold shift key and then press tab to go in the previous field. Now quantity is 50 and my item is Suzuki wheel cups. So Suzuki wheel cups, and the unit cost is 250, which makes the total 12,500. And next one and the final one is Suzuki filters. Now Suzuki filters is a new item, right? So we don't have to go back and create the items from where we created for the first time. We will just mention 70 here, and since it is not in the item list, we can directly go from here to new. Now we already have 4 items, so the new code will be IT005, IT005, and Suzuki filters is my item. Now item class will be stock item and it will be on average costing. Now the last unit cost is the unit cost where we mention this one. 250 is our rate, right? So leave all the other options as it is because the ledgers are already accurate. Now there is no beginning balance whenever we want to enter a new item during the day-to-day transactions because it is used directly in purchase invoice. There is no opening balance for it. So just save it and close. Now we have this item in our stock, so we will select it, item 5, and the cost is 250, which makes the total to 17,500. Now before finally entering the invoice, just make sure that the totals are correct. First one is 240,000, 700,000, 12,500 and 17,500. Now let's reconcile. 240, 700, 12,500 and 17,500. Now I will click on save and then click close. So that's how we book purchase invoices on credit in Peachtree.